Hi, this is David from Tebi, and I want to show you the new digital prep station improvements. As you can see, quite a lot has changed, and I'm going to take you through the most important changes. First of all, if you go into the prep station settings, you'll see that there's a bunch of new information added to this modal. From the top to the bottom, there is important information, which is the information shown on top of the ticket, the prep station header. On the right, you'll always see the number of guests, and on the left, you'll see the table number, the pickup time, or the sale name, depending on the needs of your restaurant. Below that, you see a toggle Enable Quick Mode. If you have a coffee place or a fast service restaurant, I suggest toggling Quick Mode on. If you have Quick Mode enabled, when you select a ticket, you can immediately check it off. So that if you want to close off an entire order at once, you can do so. If you have a restaurant with a little bit more sophisticated workflow, I suggest you turn it off. So we do that for now. And then on the bottom of that, you'll see number of columns, which allows you to select the number of columns that we display on the screen. You can either decrease or increase that number. I'll put it back to automatic, which is the default setting. And on the bottom, you see a toggle Animate Ticket Layout, which I suggest you turn on because it shows you if a ticket moves from one position to the other, it's animated so you can see where it's going. Then we close this modal. The second thing I want to show you is the ticket on the left bar has two notes, not allergy and VIP. We have also improved the way that these notes are shown and how these notes are set up. I'll quickly show that. I go into a sale and I go into bar, which is the ticket with the guest notes on it. So in here you have a new note section where you can toggle on and off these two settings. The first setting is whether it's an important note, which will show it in red. And the second setting is whether to show it to the kitchen. So if I now turn on the VIP guest, make it important, press done, you see that it turns red. If I now go back to the prep station, you can see that VIP guest is now also shown in red. And this same note principle also works on product notes, as you can see here down with the no nuts note at the starter course. Then we have the new header layout. So on top of the screen, on top of the ticket, you'll see bar. That's the name of the table. If I long press that header, it slides down and you can see some more information. If I long press it again, that information will hide itself. Then the most important of all the changes is the colors. The colors and the statuses have been improved. So now when a ticket moves from one status to the next, it will change the order of the tickets on the screen. Courses that are set in blue are fired. Courses that are set in orange are in preparation by the kitchen, and courses that are set in green are ready to serve. So this means that the waiting staff can pick them up and bring them to the table. If I then complete these tickets, they move to the back. If I then put these two to prepared, and also this one to prepared, and also this one to prepared, they all move to the front. If I move this one to ready to serve, that moves to the front. If I put this one to ready to serve, that one moves to the front. So now you can see that the order of the tickets has been improved. Also the way that the statuses has been visualized has been improved. So now the tickets are easier to scan from a distance. Just look at the green tickets and you see that as a waiting staff you need to bring something to a table. That is the last of the changes that we've made. I hope that this will come in helpful. If you have any questions, please email us at support@tebi.com.